Welcome to the homework solution tutorial on 2D to 2E. This is on question 15. Notice when we look at question 15, looking at this trinomial, a isn't equal to 1. Since a isn't equal to 1, we have to rewrite the trinomial as a quadrinomial, which is 4 terms, and we could factor it by grouping. These are the steps that gets us there. Make sure you know the steps prior going to the exam. First is to find the a term and the c term. The a term here looks like it is 11, and the c term here is going to be 6. We multiply them together, so that is going to be 11 multiplied by 6, giving you a 66. Your b term here is right here, which is in front of the x, which is just 35. So identify two numbers that multiply to make that new product, which is equal to 66, and then that adds up to 35. All right, let's take a look. Let's go over some possibilities. 1, 66, there's no way I can make 35. What about 2? 2 and 33. Ooh, look, 2 and 33, that looks neat, right? You see, always start from 1, then go up. That's really great. So 2 and 33 makes 36, and 2 plus 33 makes 35. That is really nice. So we have our trinomial of 11x squared plus 35x plus 6. Notice that now that the 35x can be split to the two parts, which is 2x plus 33x. That's what I'm doing. That's the reason for the second step. Now we can do it by grouping because it is a quadrinomial. Here you go. Here's that line to help us see the two parts. Okay, we always draw that line. All right. So what pulls out from 11x and 2x? Well, looks like the GCF would be just x, right? So we could pull out x, leaving you here with a 11 and an x plus 2. Let's pull out what here? Looks like we can pull out a 6. Can we pull out a 6? No, we cannot pull out a 6 from 33. What about a 3? Yeah, we could pull out a 3. So we could pull out a 3 here, leaving you with 11x plus 2. Notice that they have shared terms, right? So the second expression, which is in blue, is your shared term. That is your 11x plus 2. And the red term, which is your first expression, is just the GCF, which is just x plus 3. There you go. That is 15.